night number one. As you can see, it's really cold. So we are moving the kitties into our house, into the gym, because we have dogs and we can't have the kitties inside the house. But this is temperature controlled inside of our gym. So we've got all their stuff and we just put the kitties in there. Okay, so this is the home gym. So this is where they're going to be staying for the next couple of nights, just because it's super cold, you guys. It's going to be, I think it's only supposed to be like 17 or 15 like that, something like that tonight. And then the next couple of nights it's going to be like 0 degrees, and so we need them to be with some heat. Okay. I'm gonna let them out and let them start exploring, and I'll start laying stuff down. And there's Miss Stripes and Mr. Kitten. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Where are you? Hi, Mr. Kitten. Hi, buddy. Miss Stripes. What do you think so far? Well, Kitten seems to be at home. He loves to do his palm massages on the bed, and he kind of sucks on it, so it makes me definitely think that they were super young and probably not weaned yet when we got them. I don't know. Only Kitten does that. Stripes doesn't do that, but he seems relaxed. The dogs have barked a couple times, and they definitely get puffed up. And Miss Stripes has just been exploring. Oh, Miss Stripes. Just exploring. Yeah. She seems to be all right. It's okay. Yeah. Every little noise is like, whoop. Like a kitten's tongue sticking out. I see that tongue, Mr. Kitten. Yeah, you're not used to these sounds, huh? You kind of miss those little barks all night, huh? Yeah. Well, we're trying, though. Hopefully they'll be much better off in here.